So this is our chocolate dessert on the tasting menu. We've always done chocolate as a penultimate dessert. That way you get that kind of richness, the intensity, the fruitiness, the nuttiness. And we've used Wilf's Islands chocolates for a few months now. And I think it picks out all the nuances of nutty, fruity. And what we're trying to do with this dessert is season it. By seasoning it, we're accentuating certain aspects of the profile. So we're going to add a little crumb. And that just sits the ice cream, which is our Quenelle Queen Leor is going to do for us. We're going to season it with salt. We've got a long pepper ice cream, so again, quite fruity and peppery. We're going to just finish that with a little twist of pepper. So you've got a bit of heat coming from there. We've got a 25-year-old balsamic. And that's like the raisins, the richness, the fruitiness. And we're going to finish it with some black truffle. This for me really works with chocolate. And it just accentuates like the bitter, the earthiness of it. And we're going to finish it with some really fruity Tuscan olive oil. And there you go. Piece of piss. Chocolate Marquise with salt, pepper, vinegar, olive oil and truffle.